It's got the satisfying Atlas button. Whoa, this is my second time seeing these replacements. Whoa. This motor. Man, the whole freaking ground shook when it started up. I think the controller's been replaced. It doesn't close right away.
This is kind of the type of building you actually wouldn't expect an elevator. And there's like, what, 6 apartments in this building?
Yep.
Hold it down and see if it goes out.
Yeah.
It's your interesting replacement.
88 Claremont, Redwood City.
It's small.
It's always nice to find an Atlas. Too bad the buttons were replaced, but they're probably really beat up. They're probably, yeah, the caps come off like really easily. Love that button.